Uf, qué putada. Hola, hola. In this video, we're going to dirty up your Spanish vocabulary.
If you want to learn Spanish, the most important thing is knowing how to curse.
By watching this video, you will learn when to use malas palabras como un maldito genio.
My favorite cursing language would definitely be Spanish.
Starting with one that is, I think, used in all the Spanish-speaking countries, which is mierda. Translated to shit, but it can be also damn or crap. For example, you buy something that is super shitty quality, so es una calidad de mierda.
Manipulador y copita de mierda. Oh.
You can also say pedazo de mierda, piece of shit. Another, me importa una mierda. I don't give a shit. But it can also be used to wish good luck. For example, if someone has a performance, you can say to that person, mucha mierda, like, may the performance be successful, something like that. Good luck. Next one is Concha, but it can be either pussy or shell. Also in Spain is a name.
Se llama Concha.
But depending on the context, it can be translated to fuck.
La puta que lo parió, la concha que lo parió, concha!
We also have the expression la concha de tu madre. Anda la concha de tu madre.
Da, 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 you know? You have more time to explode the anger, it's fantastic.
Concha de tu madre, Clarisa.
Another example, la concha de la lora. Lora is actually parrot, like the female of the parrot. Don't know how or why we say this, but I personally use it a lot, la concha de la lora, when I get hurt. So it's a useful one. Many swear words in Spanish, when translated into English, aren't an exact equivalent, although the sense in which they're used might be the same. Like, for example, Cabron.
It is maybe the husband of the... no, it is the male version of the cabra. It's
Cabron literally meaning male goat.
this word that is the male of an animal, but a big one. And it depends how you say it.
Is to call someone bastard, badass, or jerk. Que cabrón, what a bastard.
Fuck. Estás jodido, man.
I am also explaining this word cabron in our video Learn Spanish with Netflix and Lingopie, and I'll leave a link somewhere here so you can check it out later. This curse can be used as an angry insult or in a friendly way, like, ¿Qué hay de nuevo, cabrón? What's up, dude? Coming back to the negative sense of the word, we can enhance cabrón with puto cabrón, motherfucker. You can also use the expression estás jodido, cabrón, which means you're screwed, you jerk, or bastard, you're screwed. Actually, it can be also dude. It depends on the intonation. This is why I highly recommend to learn not only from textbooks, also from TV, from native speakers. I mean, you understand the word in the context in a better way. By the way, Lingopie is a great language learning platform that has amazing tools where you can boost your language learning. Lingopie turns your favorite Netflix shows into a language learning lessons, so you can binge watch and learn at the same time. Enjoy the best of both worlds with all the amazing features of Lingopie, combined the top Netflix shows and movies from around the globe. Lingopie allows you to use interactive features that help you learn while watching. The clickable subtitles let you instantly translate any words or phrases you don't understand, and you can save these words to a vocabulary list to practice later with flashcards. Plus, you can adjust the playback speed of the shows and movies, which is great for challenging your language skills or slowing things down if you need to. I'll leave the link for a 7-day trial down below in the description box so you can try it out. Next one is verga, dick. Also, depending on the context, it will be different meaning. Examples. Me vale verga. Basically meaning, I don't give a shit. I don't care. Vete a la verga can be translated to fuck you or go to hell. There's also a la verga, used to convey excitement and shock, like holy shit or holy cow. The next word, my favorite, is boludo or boluda. Boludo for masculine, boluda for feminine. Argentina is in the house.
Pero la puta que te parió, boludo.
This one comes from the word ball, or maybe having big balls. It can be used as dude or dummy or idiot and beyond. It's actually like a joker. We use it for many things, like it's endless meaning, and also in between words. Imagine that you go to work and you arrive there, and then you realize that it's your day off. You shouldn't be working. So you can say, oh, I forgot. Que boluda. And your colleagues can also say to you, sos una boluda. You are a dummy.
No, esa no, boludo.
Other example, when someone doesn't understand, you can also say, sos boludo o te haces? Are you stupid or you're faking like you are? This is pretty offensive, rude expression. And like I say to you with the word cabron, boludo, boluda, can also be used as dude or friend. Like, hey, ¿cómo estás, boludo? Hey, how are you, dude? And from this magical word comes also the word boludez. Boludez is a thing, and it's something superficial. It can be something very easy or bullshit.
Es una boludez.
Next word is puto, for masculine, puta, feminine, and is used in a pejorative way. I would say that can be the equivalent of both asshole and fucking. Puto has a variety of amusing applications, mainly used to enhance someone or something. Examples. Me fue mal en el puto examen. I failed in the fucking exam. And there's also the famous combination of puta madre. Fuck, damn. But puta madre can also be positive. Example, I can say, esta fiesta está de puta madre. This party is fucking great. We have also hijo de puta. I like to pronounce that slowly, like hijo de puta.
You can say it really angry.
Hijo de puta.
The variations and the combinations is endless, my friend. So if you feel overwhelmed, just take a breath and you can say, uff, que putada. Last but not least, the classic joder. I like to pronounce it in so many ways. For example, ¿me estás jodiendo? Are you kidding me?
Necesito un cigarrillo.
¿Me estás jodiendo ahorita fumar?
No, Maya, te estoy jodiendo. No seas paranoica.
We also have no jodas, like this, amazed. Really? No jodas? Seriously? Or in another intonation, but the same phrase, no jodas. And if we add the me, no me jodas, me is to me, don't bother me, don't fuck with me, no me jodas.